Muhammad, he taught his followers that urination is the main cause of the punishment in the grave. Have you ever heard of a God? He will torture you in the grave because of your urine. Have you ever heard of a stupid thing? He got that from the Jews, and we will prove it to you. Shall we prove it to you? Let us see. Let us see the hadith. I'll try to find it for you. Where a Jewish woman, she came to Aisha. Here we go. Look, guys, this is a Sahih hadith. A Jewish woman entered into me. Who is talking? Aisha, the wife of Muhammad. And she said, who said that? Take a note, the Jewish women. The torment of the grave is because of urine. Like, what the heck? Do you hear it? Do you see it? And look what Aisha, she said. Please focus with me. I said, Aisha is talking, you are lying. Like, what? Aisha, she said that to the Jewish women. You are lying. So it was the idea of the Jewish women that torture of the grave is because of urine. Aisha, not only she said, I don't know about that, she said, you are lying, which means it's silly. Come on, stupid. This is really stupid. So Aisha, she agreed with me that this is stupid. She said, no, it's true. We cut our skin and the clothes because of it. So the Jews, when the skin, when this is how clean they are. When a urine touch their clothing, they even cut. They don't wash the clothing. They cut it off. The Messenger of Allah went out to pray, and our voices became loud, like they are fighting over this now, Aisha and the Jewish woman. He said, what is this? So I told him what she said, which means the urine is the cause of the torture of the grave. He said she spoke the truth. Like, what the heck? Muhammad, he agreed with the Jewish women. And look what Aisha, she said. This is very important. After that day, he never offered any prayer, but he said, following the prayer, Rabba, Jibreel, wa Malaikat, etc., Israfil, you know, please, I seek refuge from the torture of the grave. Do you see it? He never mentioned that before. He never mentioned such a prayer ever before. But after the Jewish woman, she said that, Muhammad, he cannot even pray to Allah without saying, please Allah, I seek refuge from the punishment of the grave, which is because of what? Because of urine, which means Muhammad, he used to piss on himself every day. Otherwise, if you don't piss on yourself, why are you afraid of the punishment of the grave? Because of urine. Are you getting my point? If I'm not doing that, why I will be worried about my piss touching me and there will be torture? I'm not doing that. But this is a proof that Muhammad, he pissed on himself every day. And he never prayed that. Look, Aisha saying that, not me, Abdul. It says, after that day, he never offered any prayer without saying, I seek refuge by Allah from the torment of the grave. But Aisha, she never heard that before. He heard the Jewish woman like it, saying it. He liked it, he copied it, and he taught. That's it. Do you see it? So we prove easy that Muhammad is heavily infected by the influence of the Jews' stories, and most of it is fiction stories. We have Mr. Muhammad Qasim saying, just to show you the comedy, Muhammad Qasim saying the punishment of the grave happened for various reasons, and the Prophet teaching us the prayer. I mean, do you see the logic? So as you see, Muhammad is just a fraud who copies stories from people around him, and he says stupid things. This is something he learned from the Jews.